What's up, everybody? Bo is here. Welcome to Lake Isabella. Good morning. Good morning from Lake Isabella. There's a couple more of us coming today, so we are parking right next to the shoreline, next to the lake. So the plan is to catch some fish. Let's see what we can catch today. All right, let's go enjoy the day. Good morning.
Morning.
Bạn say nướng.
Bagel with avocado and cinnamon cake.
Oh yeah.
Toasted. Kelly, she toasted.
Talking about breakfast and my coffee right there.
Honey?
Beautiful morning already. Look. All right. 2 hours later, no fish. We caught one little trout. Couple bites but missed nothing. I'm trying to launch the boat and go off a little bit. Let's see if it maybe got a crappie or something. So cooking sesame ball. Should work. But still waiting for another van to arrive. But yeah, we'll do later when we have lunch. Yeah. Let's go fishing. Look at all this food. We have salmon, clear salmon.
Sample ទាំងអស់ចា
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 total of us. All right, trout. Butter. Oh man, look at this. A lot going on here. These are fresh caught trout. And this? Whoa! Cambodian ngao chuột spay.ត្រីស្រស់. And we have air fry. What are we air frying here? Oh, ribs and wings.
Wings and more.
Yeah, more beef on the sticks here. And the mango salsa. Green mango.
Mango salad.
Actually salad, yeah. That goes with the
fried fish.
yes, the deep fried fish. And don't forget the chili. We're not done yet. This is just a preparation.
Cố thì chơi cố chỉnh không á. Thôi lo tập đó, lúa bữa tập đó lên mọi người là mà nữ buổi cô phải chi nó.
Này.
Để cho cô dùng được. Đó. Chúng ta schedule bà cô phột cho mũi bón á. Ô, chết thương. Bạn cần cho hết chung mau cho gì đó. Con don't worry about it. We'll see you later.
Wash your hand. Hey. Washy washy.
Nó đợi. Just give yourself a Come on, let's go.
Around you stumble in the dark. You kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. Don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you. Don't forget to get you. 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 You're stronger now than you ever been. You gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind. You will climb up high and look through the clouds. And when you're feeling low, I know you'll bounce back. Oh, and just remember, I will be there for
Ano sa
you,
spider?
baby.
Cup.
There's nothing out there to get you. Don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you. To just call on me to get you. Don't forget to just call on me to get you. Don't forget to get you. To get you. Don't forget to just call on me.
นี่รับ โอ้ยแบบ thank you no no ครอบมานี่ครอบhe says right
No, you're right.
ครอบ you're right oh my goodness
Oh,
มาละแค่ไปงอบปันอะไร
goodness.
นี่เจอสตูนี่เจอสตูก่อนนะ
Bà tôi bằng ai á, cảm ơn nó.
สตู
No, anh ấy anh nuôi bà con nữa.
នឹងចូលបង
Fish don't eat only people are hungry. More eggs coming. Good morning. Breakfast is open. Full breakfast menu is open. You guys see it? Everything. Everybody brings a little bit of this and that, and we got a deluxe breakfast going on over there. Let's go take a look.
They never have enough. Different, something different. But you'll take a side. Some people.
Okay, you guys, that's it for this video. We are on our way back. We're just cruising around and checking out different places with the beautiful scenery. We are just stopping by anywhere we get hungry, just pull over. We're gonna do our lunch. So we're on our way home. So see you next time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed this trip, and please don't forget, follow, subscribe and share my video, and we'll see you next time, hopefully on the road. This is Bo. Bye now.